Having trouble making international calls with ALDI Mobile? Let's troubleshoot. The most common reasons are insufficient credit, call bearing, IDD issues, and occasionally network glitches or roaming complications. First, insufficient credit. ALDI Mobile is largely prepaid, so ensure you have enough credit to cover the call. International rates start around 5p minute, but vary by country. Second, call bearing. International call bearing might be accidentally enabled on your phone or within the ALDI Mobile app website. This feature blocks certain call types to prevent unexpected charges. Third, IDD issues. IDD, or international direct dialing, might not be properly provisioned on your SIM card, especially after activation or a SIM swap. Finally, less common issues can arise from network glitches or roaming complications. Check your credit balance and borrowing settings first, as these resolve most problems. First, check your credit. Dial 100 or use the My ALDI Mobile app to verify sufficient funds. Top up if needed. Second, disable call bearing. In your phone's call settings or the My ALDI Mobile app, find call bearing options and ensure international outgoing calls are not blocked. Third, verify IDD is enabled. While IDD is usually on by default, contact ALDI Mobile support at 0800 328 0800 to confirm it's active on your SIM, especially if you recently switched SIMs. Fourth, restart your phone. A simple reboot can resolve temporary network connectivity issues. Fifth, use the app's chatbot. ALDI's app has an AI chatbot to diagnose call issues in real time. Sixth, consider VoIP. For frequent international calls, use apps like WhatsApp or Google Meet over Wi-Fi or mobile data, which are often cheaper.